In first class, we have studied what is matter, states of matter, and the basic building block of matter. As you know, the basic building block of a matter is an element. And what is an element? An element is defined as a substance which cannot be subdivided into two or more simpler substances by any chemical means. If a matter is made up of same types of elements, then these elements are called atoms. And if a matter is made up of different kinds of elements, then these elements are called molecules. Now, what is the definition of atom? Atom is defined as the smallest unit of an element which may or may not have an independent existence but always takes part in a chemical reaction. What is the definition of molecule? Molecule is defined as the smallest unit of matter which has an independent existence and can retain complete physical and chemical properties of the matter. Now we are going to study kinetic theory of matter. It is also called kinetic model of matter. You can see the definition of kinetic theory of matter. Kinetic theory of matter states that matter is composed of a large number of small particles, individual atoms or molecules that are in continuous motion. That is, it is saying these molecules or atoms are in continuous motion. Now you can see there are few points of this related to this model. Now we will understand the kinetic theory of matter on the basis of these points. The first point is molecules are in a states of continuous motion which do not stop over any length of time. That is, they possess kinetic energy. Our second topic is effect of temperature. According to kinetic theory of matter, as we increase the temperature of matter, the kinetic energy of molecule increases, and as we decrease the temperature of matter, the kinetic energy of the matter of the molecules decreases. What it means? When we increase the temperature of a matter, the speed of motion of molecules or particles increases. They move faster. And as we decrease the temperature of matter, the speed of motion of particles decreases. Now, our third point is force of attraction between molecules. As you can see, the force of attraction between similar kind of molecules is called force of cohesion, and between different kind of molecules it is called force of addition. Now, next point is intermolecular space. As you know, a matter is made up of large number of small particles. Between two particles there is a small space exists. This space is called intermolecular space, and the force between two molecules is called intermolecular force of attraction. Now, as the intermolecular space between two molecules increases, the force of attraction, which is intermolecular force of attraction, decreases, and as the intermolecular space decreases, the intermolecular force of attraction between two molecules increases. Now we will take example of existence of motion in molecules. Our first example is the leakage of a LPG cylinder. Students, as you know, when a gas cylinder is leaked in a room or kitchen in which there is no motion of air, after few minutes the smell of gas spreads all over the room. How it is possible? This is possible only when the molecules of LPG gas are in a state of continuous motion. This states that the molecules are always in a continuous motion. Now our next example is how sugar dissolve in a water. As you know, when a spoonful sugar is poured in a water, it disappears in a few minutes, even if we left it undisturbed. This suggests that the molecules of sugar and water are in a states of motion, and also there are good intermolecular space between them because of intermolecular space that the molecules of sugar spread out in water without raising the level of water. It is because of intermolecular space that the molecules of sugar spread out in water without raising the level of water. Now our next topic is arrangement of molecules in a solid. In solid, molecules are very tightly packed. You can see in the image there is very less intermolecular space in the between the two molecules of a solid. And according to kinetic theory of matter, less intermolecular space means there is stronger force of attraction. So the molecule of solids attract each other with a stronger force. This stronger force holds molecule in one particular place, and because of their fixed position, solids have definite shape and volume. And also because of a stronger force, it is difficult to tear them apart. That's why solids are rigid and hard. Now we will learn arrangement of molecules in a liquid. In liquid, molecules are less tightly packed. You can see in the image the intermolecular space is larger than the solids. And according to kinetic theory of matter, larger intermolecular space means there is lesser force of attraction. So the molecules of liquid attract each other with a lesser force. And because of this lesser force, the shape of liquid is not fixed, and they take the shape of the container in which it is kept. But note that the intermolecular space is not very large. That's why the volume of liquid is fixed, or we can say the number of molecule is not changing, it is fixed, so the volume of liquid is definite. Now we will learn arrangement of molecules in a gas. In figure you can see intermolecular space is very large. The molecules of gases hardly attract each other. They move independently. This is the reason gases have neither definite shape nor definite volume. They spread in the entire space in which it is kept. Okay, thank you class.